Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the colleges, fees, eligibility and the seats that are allocated for NIPER, that is the National Institute for Pharmaceutical Education and Research, and Pharma MBA. So in today's times we have learned that Pharma MBA has been quite popular and it's available as an integrated course as well. So in my previous video, I had मैंने already mentioned किया था after pharmacy to pursue MBA. But in today's video, we'll discuss about an integrated course of Pharma MBA and also the seats of NIPER distribution. So let's have a look. First of all, integrated Pharma MBA. What is it exactly? We need to know a rough background about it. So BPharm plus MBA is a structured to elucidate the students in the technical skills and to evaluate and comprehend various pharmaceutical aspects. The course is of 5 years. It's a 5-year duration. But if you do after MBA after pharmacy, so it's a 6-year course in all. But if you do as an integrated course, it is of 5 years. That will include research projects, internships. Usually the internships are of 5 or 6 months in the last semester, and industrial visits. The most important benefit of taking this dual degree course is the students can save 1 year, as I mentioned previously. The course will also focus upon the students' progress towards an approach that is comprehensive for the pharmaceutical sector and to adapt this pharmaceutical marketing as their career. Both the classes are suitable for the students who want to make their career in medicine. It is a technical course that will allow the students either to work as a pharmacist. After the course is over, they have a choice whether they want to do masters or whether they want to go for a PharmD or any other specialized course or postgraduate course. But the main objective is of saving a year and having a dual degree knowledge of pharmacy as well as MBA. Fees is approximately rupees 40,000 to rupees 1,20,000 per year, and you may receive scholarship from various trusts. The starting salary after this course as a fresher would vary from 4 lakh to 12 lakhs per annum, depending upon the company from which you are recruited. The eligibility, there have been various eligibility criterias, like if there's a particular college where you need to have we need to crack the entrance exam, that is the NMAT or OJEE. They are some of the few exams that are majorly for the colleges, and OJEE is like Odisha Joint Entrance Examination. It is a state examination that is for private as well as government management institutes. And speaking about NMAT, so NMAT is it is usually for NMIMS, that is Narsi Monaji Institute of Aptitude Test, and in this test you have to crack the minimum with a 50% to qualify and go for Pharma MBA course. And also, firstly, you need to have at least 50% of your marks in 10+2 so that you can get eligible for this course. Next is what are the job profiles and employment area after doing an integrated Pharma MBA course. So some of the pharmaceutical companies also have a spot for Pharma MBAs. You can go for clinical pharmacy. You can also go for medical dispensing store, that's a normal pharmacist store. You can also work in the QA QC department, that is the Food and Drug Administration. Speaking about the job profiles, a pharma analyst, that is, if you give an exam that's by government, you can also become a government analyst. Quality assurance manager, pharmaceutical distributor, pharmaceutical purchase manager, the market research analyst, and the drug distribution. Speaking about the subjects that are included in the integrated Pharma MBA, the number one subject is remedial mathematics, in which will be taught about biostatics, and especially it would include basics of integration, limits, and differentiation. Another subject is remedial biology, in which some of the topics that are included are digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, and reproductive system. And the few more subjects that are of vital importance are pharmaceutical organic chemistry, in which there will be a number of name reactions and isomers that you will be studying. Physical pharmacy, that is under the subject of pharmaceutics, in which you would come to know about the different pre-formulation parameters, the tablets, capsules, parenterals, aerosols, ophthalmic preparations, and other dosage forms, evaluation tests, as well as the formulation methods and formulation considerations. The next subject that's included is human anatomy and physiology. That would be a part of pharmacology, in which you will be taught about various classification of drugs like antihypertensive, anticoagulants, antiplatelets, and which organ they affect and what are the adverse drug reactions and drug interactions. Another major subject is the unit operations. While formulating any tablet or capsule or any other dosage form, there are a number of unit operations that need to be performed in a cascade, like mixing, centrifugation, distillation, filtration, evaporation, comminution, which is also called as pulverization, that is size reduction, size separation, and the various instruments and equipments that are used for carrying out these unit operations. The next important subject is pharmaceutical analysis, in which you will be taught about few of the titration methods and also about the instrumental methods of analysis like HPLC, HPTLC, TLC, chromatographic techniques, spectroscopic techniques, electrophoresis method. Another important subject is biochemistry, in which you will be taught about the identification test and the classification of lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates. Quality assurance is another background that is important from the exam point of view, because you would be studying various parameters that would govern biopharmaceutics, the toxicology, the efficacy, safety, and intrinsic activity of the drug. These are some of the important subjects with respect to pharmacy. With respect to MBA, the few important subjects are operations management. That is very essential. Management and operation research. That is also an essential topic. Speaking about the M Pharmacy specialization courses, the M Pharmacy in Suitics, Cology, Medchem, Cognosy, Biopharmaceutics, Pharmaceutical Biotechnology, in which we'll be studying about recombinant DNA technology and other various parameters. Clinical Pharmacy, Drug Discovery and Drug Development, in which you would study in detail about the clinical trials and how a drug is developed, discovered, and then marketed. Pharmaceutical administration, pharmaceutical analysis, pharmaceutical technology, pharmaceutics, pharmacy practices, quality assurance, and phytopharmaceutical and natural products. These are some of the allocations of the NIPER seats that would help you to actually study for the exam and also give you an idea of about important subjects and important in the which pharmacy field you want to exactly get specialization into. This is another continuation of all the seat allocation. You would refer the same. But so thank you so much for watching.